Hello everyone, welcome back.
In this video, we are going to learn when to use sealed classes. Before understanding the sealed classes, let us think of the classes that would be required in a notification system. These days, the notifications are sent via emails, text messages, and push notifications on the mobile devices. Based on this, notifications can be categorized into three categories: push notifications, email notifications, and SMS notification. On the top of the hierarchy, you can see that there is a class named notification, and it has three subclasses named push notification, email notification, and SMS notification. Push notifications can be subclassified into web push notifications and mobile push notifications. When notifications are pushed on the mobile, they fall into the mobile push notification category, like notifications on different apps like WhatsApp and Instagram. The web browser also pushes notifications when we subscribe to a newspaper website, and that fall into the web push notification category. Second category of notification is email notification. In case of emails, we cannot identify all the different categories of the email notifications. I have identified few categories that I have mentioned here. So in the email notification, we can have alert email, unsubscribe email, order confirmation email, welcome email, and activation email. And the last one is the SMS notification. SMS notification cannot be subclassified, and it is not going to have any subclasses. Let us talk about the sealed classes. When we declare a class sealed, then we specify which classes can extend this class, and we also prevent other classes from extending the sealed class. Sealed classes are useful in scenarios when we know that the number of classes would be fixed. Like in case of push notifications, we know that we are going to have two subclasses, that would be web push notifications and mobile push notifications. So here we can declare the push notification as a sealed class. To understand the sealed classes concept, we are going to take the example of the notification system. On the top of the hierarchy, there is a class named notification, and it has three subclasses. And the subclasses are push notification, email notification, and SMS notification. So in order to declare a class sealed, we have a sealed modifier. So this sealed modifier can be used with classes, and this can also be used with interfaces. So on the screen, you can see there is a class named notification, and it is declared sealed using the sealed modifier. When we declare a class sealed, then we have to specify the classes which would extend the sealed class. So here we are using the permits clause to specify what other classes are going to extend the notification class. So in this case, push notification, email notification, and SMS notification classes are going to extend the notification class. These subclasses of a sealed class can be declared either a sealed class or a non-sealed class or a final class. We will understand when we should use the sealed with a subclass of a sealed class and when we should use non-sealed modifier with a subclass and when we should declare a subclass final. Sealed modifier with a subclass. We should use sealed modifier with a subclass when we know that this subclass is going to have fixed number of subclasses. For example, the push notification can be declared as a sealed class because push notification is going to have fixed number of subclasses, and those subclasses are mobile push notification and web push notification. And these subclasses of a sealed class should be either declared final, sealed or non-sealed. So that's why I have declared mobile push notification and web push notification class as a final class. Non-sealed modifier can be used with the subclasses of a sealed class. When we should use a non-sealed modifier with a subclass, we should use non-sealed modifier with a subclass when we know that this subclass is going to have unknown number of subclasses, like the email notification. In case of email notification, we don't know that what are the other categories of the email notifications, so it is going to have unknown number of subclasses. In order to declare a class non-sealed, the non-sealed modifier is used with the class, and when we use non-sealed modifier with a class, then we do not need to use the permits clause because we are going to open the class hierarchy and this class can be extended by any number of classes. Here you can see that welcome email is a regular Java class and we are not using sealed, non-sealed or final modifier with the welcome email class. And same we are doing with the order confirmation email class. The subclass of a sealed class can be declared a final class. When we should declare the subclass of a sealed class final, we should declare the subclass of a sealed class final when we want to close the hierarchy and we know that this class is not going to have the subclasses. We are done with the theory part. Now we are going to write the code in the IntelliJ. I have created a project named Java Features, and in this project I am using Java 17. So here you can see that in the JDK section we are using JDK 17, and in the language level you can see we have the 17 version which is having the seal types. In this project I have created a package named notification, and this notification package has 4 classes. I have created a class named notification, that is the parent class, and this class is extended by email notification, push notification and SMS notification. Now I am going to declare notification class as a seal class. So when I declare the notification class as a seal class, then it gives an error, and the error is that seal class permit clause must contain all subclasses, As I told you that when we are declaring a class sealed, then we have to specify the classes which are going to extend the notification class. So in order to specify the classes, we can use the permits clause. And now I'm going to provide the name of its subclasses: push notification, email notification, and SMS notification. We are still getting an error. Let us see why we are getting this error. Yeah, so it is saying that all sealed class subclasses must either be final, sealed, or non-sealed. So we have three subclasses of the notification class named push notification, email notification, and SMS notification, and all of these classes should be declared either sealed, non-sealed, or final. Yeah, so now I'm going to declare the classes sealed, non-sealed, or final. To fix the error, I'm going to declare all of these three classes as final classes. Later, we will explore when we should declare a class sealed, non-sealed, or final. So for now, I'm making it a final class. The SMS class is also showing an error, so I'm going to make it final. And we have another class, email notification, so I'm also going to make this class final. Now you can see that the errors are gone because we have declared all classes as final classes. But in the real scenario, it is not possible that we are going to declare all subclasses of a sealed class final. So I am going to declare push notification class as a sealed class. So I have declared it as a sealed class, and it is giving an error that sealed class must have subclasses. So I am going to create the subclasses for the push notification. So I have created the subclasses for the push notification class. Now the push notification class is giving an error that I should use the permits clause for all of its subclasses. So I'm going to declare the subclasses for the push notification using the permits clause. Still, we are seeing an error because the web push and mobile push classes are regular Java classes, and the subclasses of a sealed class should be declared either sealed, non-sealed, or final. The web push and mobile push classes are not going to have subclasses, so we can declare the web push and mobile push classes final. By declaring the mobile push and web push classes final, we have closed the hierarchy. So now we do not see any errors in the code. Now I am going to declare email notification class as a non-sealed class. As of now, it's a final class to avoid the error, so I am going to make it non-sealed. When we declare a class non-sealed, we do not need to use the permits clause, because we are not going to specify which other classes can extend the non-sealed classes. Any regular Java class can extend the non-sealed classes. So for now, I'm creating the welcome email notification class that would extend the email notification. So I have created a regular Java class named welcome email, and this class is extending the email notification class, and we see that there is no error in the code, so it's working fine. And the last class is the SMS notification class. SMS notification class is not going to have the subclasses, so there is no need to remove the final modifier from the SMS notification class. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next video, and please like and subscribe and share with your friends so that the video could be reached to many people.